Many phones from major companies like Asus, Essential, LG, and ZTE are shipping with severe vulnerabilities out of the box, according to a report by cybersecurity firm Kryptowire. Android is the most targeted mobile OS, firstly because of the huge user base, and secondly because OEMs usually install their own skin on top without keeping security in mind. Apps are usually the easiest way to gain access to your phone. A link you may have clicked or an APK file you may have installed could be siphoning your data in the background. This has been the core reason why Google has always recommended its users to install apps from trusted sources or the Play Store. Kryptowire has recognized 38 different vulnerabilities that can allow for spying and factory resets loaded onto 25 Android phones. There are at least 10 devices sold across the major US carriers that come preloaded with bugs that are a security threat. The list of Android vendors affected includes Asus, Essential, LG, Nokia, Sony, and ZTE. Angelo Stavro, Kryptowire CEO, and Ryan Johnson, the firm's director of research, disclosed their findings at the DEF CON Hacker Conference. All of these are vulnerabilities that are pre-positioned. They come as you get the phone out of the box. That's important because consumers think they are only exposed if they download something that's bad. Essential has confirmed that they have fixed the vulnerability after Kryptowire shared their findings, while LG has said it's working on fixing these loopholes. Even Asus has confirmed that they are working on patching the security concerns raised and will be pushing out over-the-air updates soon. Kryptowire says the issues are at the firmware level, meaning they are at the core of the operating system. Even malicious apps from the Google Play Store can cause a lot of damage once they gain access. The Asus Zenfone Live is said to be the most affected as it exposes users' entire data and a complete system takeover is possible, including taking screenshots and video recordings of a user's screen as well as making phone calls. If you own any of these phones, you should install over-the-air updates as soon as possible in the coming few weeks. Running an anti-malware app won't be of any help here as the loopholes are at the center of the operating system. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to our channel to stay connected with our future uploads, and thanks for watching.